Welcome. You are listening Radio Central News. I'm Abhilasha Bharmouri. Now, news in detail. India's COVID-19 count inched close to the 50,000 mark on Wednesday after a significant rise of 2,958 fresh cases, while the toll reached 1,694 with 111 more deaths. As per the Union Health Ministry's data, 1,475 more patients recovered, taking the total recovery to 14,183 in numbers and 28.7 in percentage. The rate of fatalities stood at 3.4%. The latest spike shows that it only took 4 days for India to add over 10,000 cases, a sign of worry. Maharashtra added 984 cases to its tally, breaching 15,000 mark and reaching 15,525. As many as 34 more patients succumbed to the deadly virus, taking the toll to 617. With 368 new cases and 49 more deaths, the total infections in Gujarat reached 6,245, while fatalities 368. Delhi registered 206 fresh cases, while no new death, taking the tally to 5,104. As many as 64 people have died in the national capital from the infection. In the country, Maharashtra registered highest number of fresh cases, while Gujarat reported maximum fatalities in the past 24 hours. 22 people linked to a border security force battalion in Dhalai district tested positive for the novel coronavirus on Wednesday, taking the number of cases in Tripura to 64. The total active cases of the coronavirus disease rose to 62 in the state after 22 people from the 138th Battalion at Ambassa tested positive. Alert! 22 people from 138th Battalion, BSF Ambassa found COVID-19 positive today, including 18 male, 1 female, 3 children. They tweeted on Wednesday night. 2 BSF jawans of 138th Battalion headquarters at Ambassa in Dhalai district had tested positive on May 2. The very next day, 12 more BSF personnel tested positive. On May 4, 13 more tested positive, and on May 5, another 13 BSF jawans tested positive for COVID-19. All the COVID-19 positive persons are either BSF personnel or their family members. Earlier in the day, the Tripura government asked the BSF Inspector General Solomon Mins to conduct an inquiry on the spate of COVID-19 cases among the jawans of the 138th Battalion of the paramilitary force posted in Dhalai district and submit a report within 7 days. The Bombay High Court on Tuesday granted bail to a city resident arrested for obstructing a team collecting data on COVID-19 from his residential society. The court also directed him to deposit Rs 10,000 in the Chief Minister's Relief Fund for COVID-19. Justice Bharti Dangre was hearing a bail plea filed by one Zafar Jamal Khan, who was arrested by the Meera Road police in March for allegedly assaulting and obstructing a team that visited his society to collect data in the wake of COVID-19 pandemic. As per the police case, the accused person who was present in the society premises at the time created obstruction and persuaded other members of the society to not share any information with the team. In a major success, security forces on Wednesday killed most wanted top Hizbul Mujahideen commander Riyaz Naikoo, besides 3 other militants in the 2 separate encounters which ensued after security forces launched cordon and search operation in South Kashmir district of Pulwama. Official sources said a cordon and search operation was launched at Begpura in Avantipur following credible inputs about presence of militants last night. One of the slain militants has been identified as Riyaz Naikoo, operational commander of Hizbul Mujahideen, the longest surviving militant since 2012. Naikoo, who became a de facto chief of Hizbul Mujahideen after the death of Burhan Wani, the poster boy of militancy in the valley in July 2016, was carrying a reward of Rs 12 lakh. The top commander, who has been releasing audio clips on social media, was on the run from last 8 years. Radio Central News appeals you to stay at home and follow the guidelines given by the government from time to time to defeat this fatal virus. Please maintain social distancing and don't panic. Stay tuned to Radio Central News for more updates.